Well, what can be inside the parentheses here? What is, what things are we allowed to write? Well, we're allowed to write anything that the computer can evaluate is either open or closed, true or false, 0 or 1. So any statement here that has either a yes or no answer can be written. So that can include things like greater than and less than. So let's say if it's greater than, so we're going to generate a choice from 0 to 100. And we're going to say if rand is, excuse me, is greater than or equal to 0, and you use the double and symbol to say and rand is less than 50, we're going to have it do this stuff. Or we could just simplify this and say if rand is less than 50, because we know it's going to be greater than or equal to 0. So if rand is less than 50, let's leave the and to the next video. Else if rand is, all right, let's do it right here. If rand is greater than or equal to 50, to account for the possibility that it is 50, and rand is less than 75, then set the background to white. And in all other cases where rand is higher than 75, go ahead and set it to red. So let's see here as we do this. Cool. So there's blue. All right, it's generating a lot of choices down low right now in the 0 to 50 range. And then it generated one above 75. And here, let's hope for a white background. Nope, not quite. So we can see, also if you want to see what these values are, we could like set the text size. It's just a little annoying because it takes a little while to load for whatever reason this function. So text size, let's do 40-point font, and we'll set the fill color down here to a green, which is a color we haven't used. 0, 255, 0, and then we'll draw some text that says random equals plus the value of random drawn at 10x and 200y. So now we can, it'll take a little longer to load the code, but you'll be able to see the value of the number rand at the bottom. So rand equals 87 in this case, which is within the range that we would expect. So between 75 and 100. Here in this case, let's see what number is generated. 57, so you can see that that is in fact between these two range, the 50 and 75. And is it going to cooperate and give me a blue circle? It did. All right, and so rand is equal to 18 here. And so you can use these if-else statements in combination with and to sort of control the logic of your program. And I think that's it for this video.